Here's just a quick one. I know there's already videos out there on this, but I figured I'd make my own. We got a 93 Chevy truck here. It's 454, and it's got the classic crank no start, no fuel, no spark. So typically what happens is the shaft bushing in the distributor wears out and it causes the pickup not to read correctly. But quick and easy way to test this guy is to just order a distributor from the parts house, plug it in, turn your key on, and you can kind of see, if you just spin it, see if it comes to life. And if it does, then you can either put a distributor in it or usually it's the module on the inside. There's a little module inside the distributor. Make sure you know which distributor you got when you're, well, that doesn't look good, when you're ordering, because there's an HEI, this is not an HEI. Oh man, what is going on here with this guy? Yeah. People don't take care of their stuff. Oh well, not my truck. I'm not a Chevy guy.